Hello scale modelers, welcome to day 8 of our Messerschmitt Bf 108 build log. Today we are going to continue upgrading our engine. The next step in the process will be to create the intake manifold of the engine. I will do this using a 0.8mm soldering wire. Next I'll add the middle pipe, but it is thinner, so I will use some 0.6mm soldering wire. While the intake manifold is drying, I will clean up this engine mount from the flash that they have. Now, after I removed the flash from the part, I will use Mr. Cementes to melt down the excess plastic. Next thing to do is to create a pipe that runs from this part here to this part here. To recreate the carburetor, I will use this piece of plastic, and first I will drill a hole so I can fit the intake manifold. Now I will add some details on the top of the carburetor so it doesn't look so simple and plain. Next I'm going to install the exhaust because I have to modify it a little bit to accommodate another pipe that comes from the exhaust to the inlet manifold. In the meantime, while the exhaust is drying, I will create a band underneath the engine. Now let's twist and bend this pipe to position where it is needed. To help with the painting process, I will drill a hole and attach a piece of sprue. Now I'm going to add the engine braces to the firewall. Now I'm going to start adding some details for the throttle mechanism. I'm going to use some leftover photo etched pieces to replicate some of the details I can see on the pictures. And with this we are going to end this episode. Subscribe and push that notification button so you can get notified about my next episode, which will be about painting and weathering this engine. Until next time, happy modeling!